We spend a few minutes now trying to understand all these 8 wonderful children here, their lifestyles, what influences them, and more importantly, what does their digital space look like? What is their consumer behavior, so to say? So we are really talking to kids who are digital natives, or as they say, wired youth.
Hi everyone, I am Samyak Jain. My age is 12 and I belong to the Oxford of the East, the city of Pune, and I study in GG International School.
My name is Tanaya and I study in Gudeja Education Academy and I am from Mumbai.
And how old are you?
I am 10 years old.
Good morning everyone, I am Shivam. I am from the Garden City, Bangalore. I am from New Horizon Public School.
From New Zealand. I go to Kangaroo Kids School and I am 5 years old.
My name is Pranav. I am 9 years old. I am from Mumbai and I study in Gudeja Education Academy.
Hi, I'm Soumya Jain. I'm 14 years old and I live in Delhi. I go to Bal Bharti Public School.
Hello and good morning to all of you. I am Animesh Bharadwaj. I am 11 years old. I study in Army Public School and I am from the city of Lakes, Bhopal.
My name is Apurva. I am 10 years old. I go to St. Anthony's Girls High School and I am from Mumbai.
So let me begin by asking all of you.
I'll chat with my mom and my dad.
Your mom, okay? And you?
I love to write stories and poems when I'm a little bored and I have fun in that.
You enjoy writing poems and stories.
I log on Facebook and I check some proverbs and I watch some funny videos.
Facebook, okay, there it comes. Okay, and you, Sarah? Louder. Could you hear her? She watches TV when she wants to have fun. Yeah? Okay?
When I'm free at home, at afternoons, on the computers, there is Excel and I love to do my imaginary teams and scoreboards of the game.
Oh, really? Okay, and you?
I like to go out for a walk.
You like to go out for a walk when you want to have fun? You go out alone? You go out with your friends?
With my friends.
With your friends, okay. And what about you?
When my friends are not there with me, when I don't have a company, then my best partner is my guitar, man.
Your guitar?
Yeah.
And you're learning to play your guitar?
Yeah, man.
So you like to play a tune?
Yes, man.
Okay.
When I like to have fun, when I go to play with my friends.
You don't like to play games on the computer? You do? Okay. And what kind of games? Do you know some names? Can you give us some names of games that you play? Mario, okay.
And sometimes Ben 10.
Ben 10. Yes.
Blur.
Okay.
From IGI, Army Mission Games. Army Mission Games.
Army
from
Mission.
IGI Guys.
Okay.
I play only one game, that was Ice Temple.
Ice
Temple.
Okay. You play games on the computer? Yes. What do you know the name of the game? Yeah. She plays chess on the computer.
Okay.
Wow. Wow. Really? Yes.
I play a lot of games. On my phone I play Temple Run, that's the most common game.
Okay.
On my computer I play Most Wanted, Need for Speed, Most Wanted and God of War and then
Yeah, okay.
Assassin's Creed. I have a load of games.
Okay, lot of games.
Yeah, lot.
And it depends on your mood what games you choose.
No, I just close my eyes, pick up one game and start.
Wow. Okay. And you go?
I play family on my father's Facebook.
Okay.
I don't have any specific choice. The one is
When I was in 8th class.
In the 8th class, and you are now in the 10th, so 2 years back.
I had last year, ma'am. I had last year. but
Last
now
year.
not that.
Okay.
I got it in standard 4.
Okay.
Me and my sister have a common.
You have a common phone. So do you take it to school?
No,
You're not allowed. You're not allowed. And you don't own one. And what about you?
I got one when I was in 5th standard. That's like 4 years back.
4 years back. Okay. And Sarah, do you own a mobile phone? She does. Okay. And you don't own one. Okay. And those of you who have a mobile phone, what do you use it for? Other than, of course, speaking to people. Can we begin with
Gaming,
Gaming?
texting, gaming, texting, checking out new apps, Facebook.
check out new apps. So what's the latest app that's going on?
Right now my exams are going on and I'm not allowed to use it.
Okay. What's the last app that you used?
I downloaded Asphalt 7.
Okay. And you?
I'm playing games.
You play games. Okay.
I use it for calling my friends for work or anything, playing or something.
So do you play games as well on your mobile? No, only for calling and texting.
Yeah.
Okay.
Playing games, listening to music and all.
Okay.
Yeah.
Going with them everywhere.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. And Sarah, you like going with them everywhere. Yeah, very good. And
When we go for shopping.
you like to go out with them when they go for shopping. And when they go out to meet relatives? Functions? Weddings?
Yes.
Okay. Yes.
I like going out with them when they we are a family of 4, so my sister, when the 4 of us just spend time together. I don't like it when they take me to family functions, marriages. Like we don't spend time together. There's no point. Like my mom goes with her friends, my dad
Yeah.
goes with them,
Yeah.
and my sister, and so we just no part of a family.
And suppose in the get together you find somebody your age.
No, that's not the point. We went out with the family, not to go out with someone for age.
Oh, okay. Yeah. So you would rather that you stick around with your family and spend time with each other.
Yeah,
You
I like those
them.
kind of
You
outings.
like those kind of, like a vacation or a holiday.
Yeah,
and
vacation,
things.
holiday.
Yeah. What about you?
I like to go with my father in a walk or with my mother in a shopping, but not in malls because sometimes it is their choice. We have to go there and we get bored.
So when you go out with your parents, you do go out with your parents to a mall.
Yes.
So what do you do?
I just walk around with my father if my mother is searching for her something.
So you walk around with your father and generally sit at a bench or something? Or you go looking for go to some stores?
Yes.
What kind of stores do you go to? You and your father? What kind of shops do you go to?
But not right out of the mall. There only we are just
Roaming around
Just roaming
and
around.
spending time with each other, waiting for your mom to finish her work. Okay, yes.
I mostly like to go with them, but not when they go to like some relative's place and there's nobody of my age.
Okay, so how do you ask them before you go?
Yes.
Huh? And then what kind of questions do you ask them?
I just ask where are you going, who will be there, that's it.
Don't you ask them how much time are you going to be there?
Yes.
I was asked that. Yeah? Okay, and then you make a judgment and then you make a decision whether you want to go or not. And do you like it most times? Or you regret it most times?
No, actually if I don't like it, then I don't go.
Then you don't go next time. Okay, yeah.
When my parents go for my relatives marriage or for a outing or shopping, then only I go to our neighbors when I have a friend there, ma'am.
Otherwise,
Otherwise I don't.
otherwise no. You just tell them no, I will not. Okay.
I like going out with my parents to a mall, but the one disadvantage of going to the mall is I'm eager to play games, and while walking around going to the game center, anywhere my parents will stop looking at the jewelry, my mama will stop looking at the jewelry, and anywhere they stop and they'll tell me wait, and by that time when we reach there the center is closed.
And by the time
The
you
game
reach there,
center is closed.
game center is closed.
Yes.
Oh, okay. And then what do you tell your mom?
I said all because of you. If the jewelry shop is not closed, you could come here later also, no?
And then what does your mom tell you in return?
My mom is telling no, the mall will open tomorrow again. We'll
There's
come.
always another day to
Yes.
go. Okay. Come, let's go and have some ice cream.
Yes.
Yeah? I've done that myself. Yeah, okay. All of you like watching TV? Yeah? All of you, Shivam, you're looking like, I don't know.
I watch football.
Okay.
Like, I don't play football, but I follow football like really much.
So,
That's
so you got your favorite?
Manchester United.
Man U? Okay.
Man U. And I watch Two and a Half Men,
Okay.
Big Bang Theory. I like some comedy sitcoms also. And yeah, that's about it.
So that all those sound like they all come on Star World,
Star
right?
World.
And what kind of sports channel, which sports
Sports
channel do
channel,
you like
ESPN.
to? ESPN.
Yeah.
That's where you would like to watch. Do you like watching TV, Sarah? Yeah? Okay, just hold your mic closer so everyone can
Yes.
hear you. What do you like watching? What do you watch?
Disney?
Disney? And you have your favorite character?
No.
No favorite cartoon figure? No favorites. So what do you watch?
Like whatever comes up
Whatever comes up. And what time of the day do you watch TV?
in the afternoon.
In the afternoon. Okay, after school.
Yeah.
Okay. What about you?
I watch Chhota Bheem and TLC channel. I like Chhota Bheem because he is very kind and helpful to everyone. And on TLC, I watch some of the recipe shows or some of the adventure shows, something like that.
Okay.
Ma'am, I watch Discovery Channel, and in that Superhuman Showdown.
Superhuman Showdown. Okay. So anything else other than that?
Ma'am, National Geography.
National Geographic. Okay. Obviously, cricket is your favorite game, and you told us that earlier as well. On Disney, what do you like watching? Any favorites you have?
Doraemon.
Doraemon.
And Phineas and Ferb.
Okay. Yes.
I like Star World and I like to watch movies really much,
Okay.
and like I keep looking for which movies coming on TV and I just watch that.
So you watch a lot of movies. You watch it on which channel normally? Anything depends on the movie?
Yes.
It depends on the movie? Okay.
I watch one program that is Man vs. Wild.
Man vs. Wild.
Bear
Okay.
Grylls.
Yeah.
And ma'am, one that comes on Disney, Best of Luck Nikki.
Okay. You like watching that.
Yeah.
And when do you watch TV normally?
Ma'am's, I'm at the afternoon and sometimes at night also.
And sometimes at night. But I remember you telling me some time back that your parents get very angry if you spend too long.
That comes with the playing session.
Acha, along with the playing session. So if you're on any screen, whether
Yeah.
it's a TV screen or a computer screen, do you have your parents told you, limited you to a time?
ma'am, yeah.
How much time in the day do they limit you to?
Ma'am, 15 minutes or half an hour.
In a day?
Yeah, ma'am.
And that's it?
Yeah, ma'am.
And then what? Your mom switches off the TV?
Ma'am, that not happens. I only watch that much time.
So you
Ma'am, most of the
Time it?
time I play my computer.
most of the time?
Ma'am, play my computer.
You
Ma'am,
play.
the
Okay.
computer games.
Okay. You going to wanted to add something?
I just watch TV. My mom tells at least 45 minutes or 1 hour.
45 minutes or 1 hour a day is what your mom lets you watch. And you're fine with it?
Yes, it's
Yeah? Okay. Yes. What do you like watching on TV?
Yeah, I like watching cartoons, and one sub channel I like. And on if we see to cricket, I like only DLF IPL matches, nothing else.
DLF
IPL
IPL
matches, yeah. Only
Okay. You watch it right through? Because
Yeah.
I'm sure some of the matches, all the matches, you must be having school at that time.
Yeah, well, first 8 to 10 matches I have school.
Okay.
After that the vacation starts, so from there I watch all the
Correct,
matches.
yeah. And do your parents tell you that this is the amount of time that you should be watching TV?
No, in the school times when the school is on, in the afternoon I can watch for 45 minutes, and in the evening also again for 1 hour 45 minutes, like that, something 45
You're fine
minutes.
with that time?
Yeah.
And your IPL and all gets done in that time?
Yeah.
Okay.
That's that time when the school is on, I watch only any match any team versus Chennai Super Kings. That match though I have to watch, and
Your favorite team is Chennai?
yeah, and in vacations I watch all the matches.
Wow.
So that
okay.
time I have no limitations.
Do your parents have a fixed time they've given you?
No. Because when I watch matches, it's like in the night after, because they play in the England. So they start, so it's at late night and all the
Yeah.
matches. So I stay up, so they say, you're sleeping less, I won't allow you to sleep in the day. So I don't sleep in the day and watch the match.
And so you are sleep deprived most times?
No,
No?
They expect me to sleep at 9
Yeah.
and get up at 7. Like that's so much of sleep.
So do they know that you are...
Yeah, they do know. They said it's fine to me unless you are not sleeping in the day.
Okay.
That's the only.
Okay. Yeah. Your parents have given you a fixed time?
No.
No. You can watch and they think you will accordingly shut it down, shut the TV down.
Yes, but I don't watch match for 2 hours and all.
Okay.
45 minutes.
Okay.
I'm not more than 1.5 hours.
They've told you that or
Yes,
you
ma'am,
yourself feel?
Ma'am.
And then you very responsibly shut it down or your mom has to come and tell
My
you?
mom has to come.
Has to come and tell you. Okay.
Choose it and I chose it.
Okay. And what did you choose?
HTC.
HTC and what kind of a phone is it? As in it has it's an what platform and what
Android.
this thing? It's an Android and you I mean it's like the latest technology or what? I mean the
No,
high
it's
end
not
phone.
exactly latest because if I took the, they gave me the choice, but then if I took the latest, I knew I wouldn't be concentrating. Already I'm so diverted because of the games.
Okay.
So I thought that if I get a 4.0 and like I'm gonna go crazy.
Okay.
Gaming.
Okay. Yeah. Any one of you?
The one which I liked, I choose that.
And what was it?
I'm Galaxy Y, Samsung Galaxy Y.
Wow. And when was that?
June, last June.
Last June and you're still using it?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah? Okay. So you told your parents which model of the phone you
Yes,
really wanted. What about you? Yes. Your phone, did you choose it?
No, ma'am, my father was coming from Indore. Ma'am, I just told him that I want to buy a phone for my mother because she was not having a good
Okay,
phone.
okay.
So he was coming and he just picked up the phone from a shop and he
Which
just
phone
came.
is this? What phone?
Ma'am, Samsung Galaxy Y.
Okay. So it's a smartphone.
I'm Duos.
Okay. Okay.
I took it for Bangalore Biscuits, ma'am.
Okay.
Because my aunt is also having a mobile, but she was not giving me because it was not in a good condition.
I see. Okay. Yes.
My parents told me if you get good marks in this final exam, then whatever you ask for, you'll get that. And I got good marks and I demanded for a mobile phone and I got a gift on my birthday.
And which phone was this?
I don't know the model number. I'm so engrossed in playing games and listening to music. I've never seen the model number.
Okay.
Only two things I do. One is playing games and second is listening to music.
Listening to music. So they're very confident that you would be
and nothing
really
else.
doing
Or
that.
sometimes if I'm absent in school to call friends to get the notes or something like that.
Okay.
Ma'am, the Coca-Cola ad, Umido Wali Dhoop.
Okay.
That rinse ad, because I liked it too much because the idea was they use that he puts mud on himself
Okay.
and then he
Yeah.
tries to stretch them so that their clothes will be
Okay.
dirty.
Okay.
I don't like ads. When it's an ad break or something, I just go and read a book or something or study or play a game. There was one ad I really liked. It was the Airtel ad. Har ek friend zaruri hota hai.
Zaruri hota hai. Okay.
I like
Sara,
that.
you have a favorite ad that you like to advertisement on TV? No? Okay.
Idea ads because they have new ideas in every ad.
They come up with new themes and new
Yes.
ideas. Okay.
My favorite ad is the Coca-Cola ad. Ma'am, because it's funny, ma'am.
Okay. Okay.
I like the Oreo ad because the girl acting in that, she's very cute and she acts very nicely with a teddy bear and all that. I like that ad very much.
Okay.